Hello and welcome to this week's Table Talk with Sophie and Amy. And this week we're talking about our focus and our accountability. We regrouped with the Zinc team this week, working through what our product roadmap looks like and just confirming with them what we're going to check in with over the coming months.
And for our Social Tech Trust grant application, I had the pleasure of confirming what our user value, financial value, social value, assumptions, inputs would all be in 140 characters. If you're lucky, we will tweet you that lean canvas. But what is our business on a page, basically?
And today we've had our first day at Educate, where we won these lovely t-shirts by participating in the quiz. And we're really excited to stay accountable to Educate and have milestones in place that enable us to build our product to be evidence-based, robust, and in a way that really means we can measure the impact that we're having through a theory of change.
The reason our wonderful interns aren't here is because we are working them hard. As Sophie always says, sometimes when you need to go slow to go fast, it can be the most frustrating thing. But when we've got such little time with our wonderful interns left, we're keeping both them accountable and they're keeping us accountable to keep momentum going, to keep the energy high and to get this product out there. So it's exciting, but slightly frustrating at the same time. We don't want to say goodbye.
We don't want to say goodbye to them. They've done amazing work and we can't wait to see where it ends up. Thank you so much for tuning in again. We'll speak to you next week. Bye.
Bye.